In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple images in Affinity Photo. If you work with batches of photos, opening them all at once is a huge time saver, and Affinity Photo makes it simple. I'll walk you through two easy methods, and along the way, I'll point out what to expect, so everything feels smooth and predictable. First, the classic menu method. With Affinity Photo open, go to the File menu and choose Open. This brings up your system's file browser. Navigate to the folder with your images, then select more than one at a time by holding Shift on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the files you want. You'll see each selected file highlighted, which confirms it's included. When you've got the set you need, click Open. Affinity Photo will load them together, and you'll see each image appear in its own Document tab across the top of the workspace. This is normal behavior in Affinity Photo, and it keeps your projects organized. Depending on the size and number of files, it might take a moment, so don't worry if you see a brief progress indicator while it prepares each document. Now, let's look at the drag and drop approach, which many people find even faster. Start with Affinity Photo already open on your screen. Next, open your File Explorer, Windows Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, and browse to the folder that contains your images. Select multiple files the same way as before, using Shift on Windows or Command on Mac to highlight the ones you want. With that selection active, click and hold on one of the highlighted images, drag the group into the Affinity Photo window, and release. Affinity Photo will instantly begin opening each file, again creating a separate document tab for every image. This method is great if you're already browsing your folders and want to bring everything in with one quick gesture. A few helpful notes as you work. Each tab is an independent document, so you can move between them to make edits without affecting the others. File names appear in the tabs, so it's easy to keep track of which image you're viewing. If you're working with very large or high-resolution files, give the app a moment to finish loading. This is normal and depends on your system's performance. And remember, opening files doesn't overwrite your originals. Changes are saved only when you choose to save a document. That's all there is to it. Use the File menu when you want a guided, precise selection, or drag and drop when speed matters. Either way, you'll have multiple images open in Affinity Photo in no time.